Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iGeekPhone.com. Today we're gonna see one more pair of earphones from Linsoul, the KZ E10. They come with 1BA and 4DD drivers, only that this time they're wireless. Yes, it's the first pair of earphones that Linsoul had sent me that are professionally and for professional use, and they are wireless. So I'm really very curious to see what they have sent me this time. Till now I have reviewed about a dozen from earphones from Linsoul, which they are all wired with very good quality, with really very nice specs for hearing the sound, and of course at a very good price for the specifications that they have. Now this new earphone, the KZ E10, they are wireless, so it's really interesting. They cost about $70. You're going to find a link in my review and in the description from where you can get them. And let's open the package that I received from the post. So let's do a quick unboxing to see what's inside it. So here it is. And protective. So this is the box, black as usual. TWS E10 black. They come at white and gray, as you can see here. No other specifications. Here is written something, but you cannot understand it. So and here you can see the sign how the earphones look. So let's open the box to see if I can understand more. So here in the light you can see that is written something. It should be better if they had a different color from the black box in order to be able to read what is written. And here it says 10 units hybrid technology TWS Bluetooth earphones. You can see they're like that. The earphones, KZ, interesting design. Nothing else. So let's open it. Yes, it opens like that. So they come with a charging box, from what I see. All right. So let's put it back. So this is a really huge charging box. Here is a Type-C, interesting, really good. It's the second kind of earphones that I meet with a Type-C plug for charging the charging box and the earphones. So let's open it. Oh, something it says, apart from the noise that you just heard. So let's close it. It's pocket only the first time. So this is the earphones. They're magnetically charge from what I see. They are in ear and they have this in order to hold on the ear. So, and I have an external sounds. So, it looks really interesting. And they are magnetically again sealed. So let's open in the other box. Must have a charging cable normally. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. You see there is a manual and the cable. So this is the charging cable. Ear tips, only a pair. And here is a warranty card, warranty rules, the usual, and a manual how to use it, 10 units hybrid technology, in Chinese and in English. So we're going to connect it with my mobile. Function operation, clearing of headset pairing. Oh, it has a reset button here. You can see it. Here you can see it. It's a reset button. No. This is they are moving. So in order to adjust the earphones. So it's a good thing to have a look at the manual before using the earphones. So let me connect the earphones. Let me take them off and connect them. So here it has some so let's see how I'm going to connect them. So you place them inside the earphones, you press continuously the reset button and you will see a green light blinking and you will see them here in your mobile. So we connect them, connect, they are saying something. So we give access to my contacts, they are Aptx as you can see. So you see here they're connected. It says KZ E10 Aptx and it has one for each earphone so you can use them apart. Phone audio, media audio, contact sharing, rename, and the other one. Now they use Bluetooth 5, the latest version, in order to connect. By this way they can use Aptx and AAC for even better quality of sound. They have a Qualcomm QCCC 3020 chip for a fast and stable connection. I'm going to use them and test them with the music that I have, a classical music from Bach and a rock song from ZZ Top. The latency is low in order to have a smooth experience, and they look very nice, stylish. So let's, if you can see here, it says left and right in order to know where to connect each earphone. There, it's magnetically sealed, it doesn't open, very nice. Hard box, really very good. So the cable I've shown you, so let's connect them and test them and see how they stand in my ear. Now I place them in my ears. They fit very good, very nice. And when they are connected with the mobile, you will hear the song, you will hear the word connected. It uses Google Assistant in order to help, because by connecting them, I started hearing various things and information from my mobile. So let's see. Now for the sound, for the music, let's start with Bach. Let's see. Yes. Good, very good. Now it's going to be a little bit bumpy, the camera now, in order to see how they stand around my ear, and the other one here. The sound is very good, very crystal. So let's put now N from ZZ Top. Very good. Very good. Let me hear and the guitar that stands. Yes, very good. I don't know if you can hear it from here. You cannot. It activated the Google Assistant, as you can see. Here's what I have found, and it searches, because I disconnected the one from my ear, it understood it. I have it in my hand. It understood it, and it started searching for various things. Very clever. Right. And since it found nothing, it continues the music. Very good work, very nice. Really good. The KZ E10. So don't forget to like my video, share it, subscribe in our YouTube channel, and press on this bell in order to be informed when I have a new review for you. This is my doctor for iGeekphone.com. Bye.